One day I just went like this to pull the handle to make sure the door was locked, and it just broke right off. Now I'm going to show you how to fix it. Pull the handle and then carefully pop this cover out. There's a Phillips screw right there. And my flathead I have fits right in there. Take that screw out. Put it somewhere you're not going to lose it. I'll pop this cover off. Unplug the wires, put your screwdriver in right here, pull out, there you go. There's another little cap, there's an indentation thing right here, pop it out, take that screw out, carefully peel back this plastic. Look how cheap this plastic is. Nice. T30 to take the 3 bolts out. I'm going to have to remove the lock mechanism. And hopefully that'll let me get access to that other bolt. And yes, it did. Right in there, you can get to the other bolt. Take the new handle and work it in. You're gonna have to stick your hand in and lift up the other side of the assembly. And you're gonna do like I showed you. Slide it over like that. Okay, now it's on right. It wasn't on right before. I found out that inside there, there's little, where these bolts are, there's a little tab that keeps the bolt from falling out. So you don't have to worry about the bolts falling out when you do this. Get your little piece of plastic, it's gonna go there. Got this little plastic thing, you're gonna stick that in that hole. And then the bolt goes in there. It's plastic, so don't do it very tight. See it? I almost got it on there. It's got a... There we go. See it on there? Do that. Now we gotta get this little... There it is. Leave that there. Get your 3 bolts. Put them in by hand.